Hi guys, we have to multiply 9.281 multiply by 10. Then we have choices here A, B, C and D. We'll see which one is correct. When you multiply any decimal number by power of 10 like 10, 100 or 1000, you don't need long multiplication. All you have to do is move the decimal point. In this case, 9.281 multiplied by 10, we move the decimal point one place to the right because 10 has only one zero. Okay? So what we'll do here, we say 10 has one zero. So we'll move one decimal place to the right, 1. So the answer will be 92.81, okay, which is C. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel for more videos, leave a comment, and thank you for watching.